Imagine knowing immediately if one of your trailer's tires is losing pressure due to a puncture, or if another tire is experiencing extreme temperatures which could lead to an unexpected blowout. The Tire Linc monitoring systems allow you to monitor your trailer tire's air pressure and temperature in real time from your phone, hands-free. Tire Linc works seamlessly with the OneControl app to alert you of critical information when you need it, giving you more control on the road. These systems include everything you need for installation and to monitor up to 4 tires at one time, with additional accessories and sensors available. Tire Linc Auto can be externally mounted. It's rugged and waterproof and can be hardwired to a 12-volt power source, or its internal battery can be conveniently recharged. Tire Linc RV is mounted internally in a camper storage compartment or something similar and will need to be powered by a 12-volt power source. The OneControl app is available for iOS and Android smartphones and is fully customizable so you can monitor your specific towing setup precisely. Upgrade your towing setup today. Feel more confident having more control with Tire Linc and OneControl.